It's Razor Blade and we're back on the vlogs. What's up everybody? Well, if you did watch the vlog before this, yes, you see me buy jerk pork in the last. I say me I do a little mukbang because something happened to me that day and I say I have to talk about it, we don't know. Because I want to hear an opinion, because I know say a lot of people out in the world have more experience. Somebody must out there smarter than me. Somebody must out there feel the way I feel. So I say, no, I'm going to talk about it with you now. And you're going to find this ironic when I explain. Basically, I eat a patty today. Then in the evening, I eat the next one. And it's like, my stomach just feel turned off. Like, my stomach feel turned off. I couldn't eat it. That's like the first time in history I ever eat a patty and couldn't finish it. Then me remember that same feeling that come back to me anytime I eat anything with meat. Meat me nuggets them and I start feel cringe. And I say, you know, I don't know, it's like I want a different. Even looking at this right now, I kind of feel that way. Because I remember a few vlogs ago they actually say, I'm not eating more right. But you know people love jerk pork, so I'm showing you some jerk pork. I don't see it. But I don't want to sound like I want to be a vegetarian. But I want to find some alternative ways to eat. Because like the meat thing, I kind of feel turned off from meat. Overall. Beef, chicken, everything with meat I just feel turned off. And I might say, yo, there must be a way to find some alternative for the meat and still be healthy and still put on weight. Because I don't know I'm slim, I want to put on weight. You see me? I say, yo, too much of one thing not good for nothing. So I don't want always to feed on vegetables, but I want to find a way to substitute the meat with something else. You see me? I know it's not a thing where I can drop like boof. Because certain habits where you do from your younger, you hard to break out it when you're older. And certain things become addiction. Like even Pepsi, I drink a Pepsi today and I say, yo, you know say, I always drink tea. But anytime I leave the yard and I drink tea, I always buy a Pepsi. And I buy the Pepsi, I start find myself feeling addicted to the Pepsi. Like I can't go nowhere and I drink Pepsi and I know say Pepsi not good for me. I don't know that. Say Pepsi not good for nobody. You see, I'm not bashing no Pepsi, but you know have nothing for give you no new. You know no nutrients for give you, you know nothing for boost you up. You see me? Especially soda in general, I just want to drop soda like totally. And it's like, I don't know if me one can explain to one of my friends, I never wake up and just feel like I want water. I always feel like I want juice. But you know, is it that thing where you ever wake up and you just up and you just feel like you want something to drink and a water you want? I feel like it weird because I just feel like most people just wake up and want something to drink. Or they depend on they want something to drink but they don't actually want water. But for those who actually drink water, probably them can't just get juice or may overthink it. I actually feel like some people want the water though, but it's like, I just feel like majority and we just always want juice. You see it? And even which part I live, the chlorine strong in the water, so it's like, yo, that is the next turn off. So it's like, I start to say it's very important for me to consume water in general because I'll be a chlorine water when I drink otherwise. So many people consume good water. So many people start buy water and them stuff then. But it's like, I want to stop drink juice. Even splash me start feel turn off by and that nothing happen. Nothing happen at all. So, I really need like suggestions, opinions. Like what I can do. I have a few people always tell me say, oh, start eat this and eat less of that and thing. And I appreciate it, but only thing, because I don't feel like becoming a full-blown vegetarian or vegan, it's not gonna fit me. Worse pescatarian because me is not a man who like fish. I'm not talk the funny way, I talk like fish. I don't like fish. So I don't know how people who are vegetarian make them meat. No, not meat. I don't know how people who are vegetarian make them vegetable in such a way where it appealing to them for just always eat vegetable, but I love to know. Can a person eat healthy without becoming a vegetarian? That's the next question. Because it's like, I'm eat no meat right now. Even though I eat this, that's why I say it's a bit ironic when I tell you, even though I eat this, is like, I eat it because I'm hungry, but I not eat it because I want it. And my bin start feel turn off from jerk pork like months ago. So if I turn off from chicken, I start reject patty, which is beef. What else did I? You have chicken, pork. I think you have mutton or goat. Yeah, but I don't know. Probably I eat them too often or something. But I start feel turn off by them. So I need to find like an alternative. And then one of my brethren raised Travis, and he explained some things to me about food and all of that, and it's like, yo, a lot of the time we just wake up sick, and we just get sick some stage in our life, and I say, oh, I feel sick, and I never did do this to sick, but some of the time we become what we eat, you see me? So health is a big topic. Health is a big thing to consider, you see me, growing up. And like when you're a baby, you can just eat a bag of sweet and thing. I actually not eat sweets a lot. That's a good thing. I don't eat a lot of sweets. As in sweetie. But when I go high school, I used to like the sweet biscuit them and all of that. So it's like, yo, I feel like I need to purge my system and then just start on the right track. I feel like I know alone feel this way, like to eat healthy. But what are the foods if you eat where I can take my mind off of meat? You know? That even if I not stop eat meat, look how that thing around with me. That even if I not stop eat meat, I can actually eat something, feel full, and like not feel like me a try go up on diet. The pork nice right now, you know, but it's like, let's not feel it. You know, let's not feel it. So, I don't know people. So one of the things, I think I know a few people when I really eat the meat stuff and so. But one thing, I think in terms of my health, I think in terms of what I want to eat. Because if you're not made chicken, and you're not made beef, and you're Jamaican and you're not made beef, that means you're not made patty. As I said before, it's like the patty I turned me off. So, what am I going to eat? I mean, if you stop drinking soda, like I say, yo, every time I drink soda, I just feel extra hot. That's enough sign for me to stop drinking soda. But it's like, it's a constant fight. I mean, I feel like I'm me alone struggle with that. Everybody probably knows that soda not good for them, but it's like, you just not made the soda, yo. You're not made to stop drinking the soda, yo. Me just can't just feel for water. I don't know why. If I'm thirsty, I just want something to drink. I can ask Ian, it's like, I have to go in the fridge, and if I see juice me I gotta take out. So, Drug work are nice still, but I just nah feel it. I not feel it. I just eat it because I'm hungry. And right now, this not even make me feel like I'm full either. So I'm probably have to drink some tea too. So, and even things like pepper. No pepper bad. And you know what them say about spicy food. So, I don't know. I don't know if it's a bad thing to be concerned about your health. I don't think it's a bad thing. I don't know if I overthink it. But I just have a feeling so I need to like take a little bit more charge in my health. Is it? Cause probably things like egg when me a bash out pan, probably add that me fear eat. Who knows? I always say egg me for eat, but who knows? Probably egg me for eat more of. And get protein from. You see it? See? And then if you don't know me not eat bone. So anytime meat reach bone, I can't eat it. So all this a pork away, a man give me away bone they all bone. Yeah. Let me know what I think of. Right now I go up on the internet and I'll Google some healthy foods. And I'll try to see if I can start add them to my diet. Even though healthy foods are the most appealing, for example things like green juice, enough time I get invited to drink green juice and I just always turn it down. So I don't know, yeah, man. I want to get into the frame of mind though, cause I get young, as I don't know. But I want when me get younger, when you hear me a complain say, I have this and I have that. Sugar and rabies and vitiligo and, you know. But let me know what you think in the comments, yeah. I'm going to try to see if I can make some tea. Then I will bed and go sleep, because if you watch a vlog before, you know, so I just come off of the road and I like after 10 now.